Good day everyone, I'm Vin, also known as Enderchan15, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to talk about something a bit more personal. The reason why I took a break for the past few years. It's been quite a journey, and I'm finally ready to share it with you. So, let's get into it. On March 1, 2025, I posted on YouTube post announcing that I'll reopen my channel to the public. I mentioned there that I started my YouTube break back in 2021 because I needed some time to rest. Today, I want to go deeper into that post and share in more detail why I decided to take that break. It's true that I started taking a break from this channel in late 2021, but to be honest, I didn't completely step away. In 2022, I created a new channel, but over time, I decided to delete it because I wasn't satisfied with how things turned out. Then in 2024, I tried once again to create a new channel, but just like before, I ended up deleting it because I still wasn't happy with the results. I know many of you might be wondering why did I create new channels. The simple reason is that I wanted a fresh start, a chance to renew myself. Back in late 2021, I started losing interest in continuing this channel. I felt like I no longer wanted to be here. That's why I decided to set all my videos to private and requested that all my songs on this channel be taken down in 2022. Honestly, I no longer cared about this channel at that time because I had lost the passion for it. But after creating new channels in 2022 and again in 2024, I realized that I still couldn't find the joy or satisfaction I was looking for. That's when I understood that what I really needed was to step back, focus on my studies, and reflect. And finally, on March 1, I decided to reopen this original channel to the public once again. That's also one of the main reasons why I chose to come back here. I made some of my songs and videos public again. And if you're curious, you can check them out right here on my channel. Another reason why I reopened this channel is because I want to share my story of how I started on YouTube. And yes, that's true. Through my videos from 2018 to 2021, you'll see how I started and how I gradually improved along the way. For those who don't know, I began my journey as a YouTuber in late 2018. That's where it all began. You know, I honestly regret the decisions I made during those times. I wish I had kept this channel active even while working on my other channels. And I wish I hadn't set my videos to private or taken down my songs. Because of that, this channel went downhill. But it's okay. There's nothing I can do about it now. The past is the past. So what's going to happen to this channel? If you check the description of my channel, you'll see that it says official gaming channel. That means from now on, I'll mainly be uploading gaming videos here because that's the original purpose of this channel. Don't worry, though, I'll still occasionally post content that's not gaming related, but gaming will always be the main focus. Back then, my music content actually overshadowed my gaming content. So now, I'm bringing this channel back to its original direction, gaming. If you're interested in my non-gaming content, I'll create separate channels for those so everything looks more organized. I don't want this channel to be all mixed up like before, when I had gaming, music, vlogs, and all sorts of content in one place. That was because at that time, I was still figuring out what I really wanted and what this channel was meant for. Now, I finally found what's right for me. And just in case you're wondering, I won't be repeating my old habit of deleting or abandoning my new channels just because I'm not satisfied with the results. This time, it's for real. I'm serious now. That's all for now. I hope I was able to clear things up about my YouTube break. Honestly, I really miss creating videos. It reminds me of my nostalgic days, you know? By the way, for now, I'll only be uploading occasionally or rarely since I have a lot of things to take care of. I'm also a college student now, so I'm always busy. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, adios!